Anyways. What? What? What?
Marigold, what are you doing?
So that's what you look like without the mask on. So that's what you look like without the mask on.
Yes.
Why didn't you show me
People
before?
say I look ugly.
Well, I don't think you look ugly.
People say I look ugly.
Well, I don't think you look ugly. Wait, something's on the TV. Let's go see.
Wait, but we don't have a TV here.
Yeah, we do. Well, it's on my phone, so let me get my phone out.
Your phone's in your tent.
Got it. Okay, let's watch it. Wait, I have my tablet. Let's watch it. Oh, come on, let's watch it.
I'm watching.
Mm.
Hold on.
Their house is God. Oh no. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Come on. Get on. We gotta get on. Come on. Flower, come on.
Get on your bike.
I'm coming.
You gotta head home. I'm going.
I'm coming. We gotta get back home. I don't even see them there.
Huh?
They're not even there. I don't see them.
I know, but we gotta hurry up and get home. Our houses.
We gotta see if they're okay.
Yeah.
I don't see our houses there. You would see them peeking out.
Yeah, me neither. I don't see our houses.
They're gone! They're gone!
They're completely gone. What are we going to do?
I don't know. And how did your pool explode anyway?
I think they might have took out the water and then just placed a bomb in my pool. But anyway, still, our houses.
They're completely gone. What should we do?
This is gonna take forever to rebuild.
Well, let's just start from scratch.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Hammer. No, I don't have a hammer.
I'm sweating to death. Finally, we're done. Like, we're finally finished with our houses. Hey, Flower, you done? Flower, you done?
Finally.
You done finally?
Yeah. You done.
Let's just drop these hammers.
Yeah.
Let's go inside our houses.
I'm gonna head inside.
I'm gonna go inside too. See you later, Flower.
See you later.
Ugh, that took forever.
I'm so tired, I'm not even gonna turn off the lights.